Yesterday, we have seen the construction of different types of drilling machines. Today, we will see the operations going to be performed on drilling machines. These operations can be performed on any drilling machine. So, first operation which is going to be there on drilling machine is drilling. As the name suggests, it is a drilling. Drilling is the operation for producing a cylindrical hole of required diameter and depth by removing metal by rotating edge of the cutting tool is called drill. Called drill. Drill च्या हिशोबाने whatever removed in the form of chips, it is going to be removed. The drill is having different n number of fluids. With the help of that, and there are it is a drill comes under multi-point cutting tool. There are two cutting edges are there. With the help of that, we are removing the material. Drilling is the one of the simplest method of producing a hole. Drilling does not produce an accurate hole in a workpiece. The internal surface of hole generated by drilling becomes rough, and the hole is always slightly oversized due to the variation in spindle and drill. Due to variation in spindle and drill, it is going to be oversized. A hole made by drill size 12 mm will measure approximately up to 12.125 mm, and by drill size 22 mm it will measure up to 22.5 mm. Next operation going to be performed on drilling machine is reaming. The size of the hole made by drilling may not be accurate, and the internal surface will not be the smooth. Reaming is an accurate way of sizing or finishing the hole which is which has been previously drilled by a multi-point cutting tool known as reamer. The surface obtained by reaming will be smoother, and size of that hole is accurate. The speed of the spindle is made half that of drilling. Whatever speed we are going to use for the drilling, half of that speed, if we suppose we are drilling with 500 rpm, then we are performing a drilling operation at 500 rpm, then we are going to do this reaming operation at around 250 rpm. Reaming removes only amount of metal, small amount of metal, that is around 0.375 mm. It is going to be removed with the help of reaming operation. In order to finish a hole and bring it to accurate size, the hole is drilled slightly undersized, and after that drilling operation, we have to perform this reaming operation. Next one is boring. Boring is the operation enlarging the diameter of the previously made hole, and it is done by following reasons. To enlarge hole by means of an adjustable cutting. This is done when a suitable size drill is not available, or hole diameter is too large that cannot be made with the help of drill. To finish a hole accurately and bring it to the required size. To machine the internal surface of the hole already produced in casting. To correct out the roundness of the hole. To correct the location of the hole, as the boring tool follows independent path with respect to hole. Boring tool is a tool with only one cutting edge. The tool is held in a boring bar which has taper shank to fit into spindle or socket of the drilling machine. This perfectly finishing hole for finishing perfectly finishing a hole, job is drilled undersize slightly. Suppose we want exactly 10 diameter drill, so we have for that purpose we have to make a 9.8 drill, and with the help of reaming we can make it to 10 and boring is generally used when it is the bore size drill size is more than 22 at that time. If we require exact 25 diameter, we have to drill a hole of around 25.125 sorry 24.825 and after that with the help of boring tool we can enlarge the hole. Boring operation in some precise drilling machines are performed to enlarge the holes to an accuracy of 0.00125 The spindle speed during boring should be adjusted to be lesser than that of the रिमिंग. तो रिमिंग के लिए भी जो लगता है उससे भी कम स्पीड में हमको बोरिंग के लिए करना है, बोरिंग के लिए स्पीड कम करना है. काउंटर बोरिंग. काउंटर बोरिंग इज एन ऑपरेशन enlarging the end of the hole cylindrically. The enlarged hole forms a square holder with original hole. Square shoulder with an original hole. This is necessary in some cases to accommodate the heads of the bolts, studs, pins, etc. The tool is used for counter boring is known as counter bore. The counter bores are made up with cutting edges which may be straight or spiral. The cutting speed for counter boring is at least 25% less than that of the drilling. ये देखो इसमें दिया है, ये ड्रिल है, आपको सिर्फ यहाँ तक ही अगर बड़ा करना है, नीचे बड़ा नहीं करना है, तो हम लोग इसके लिए वी कैन यूज़ दिस काउंटर बोरिंग ऑपरेशंस. Counter sinking. Counter sinking is the operation of making a cone shape enlargement at the end of the holes. Counter boring, square shape or square shape, and it is a conical shape. The included angle of conical surface may be in the range of 60 to 90 degree. It is used to provide the recess of the flat headed screw or countersunk rivet fitted on into the hole. The tool is used for countersinking is known as countersink. It has multi-cutting edges on conical surface. Here also cutting speed is for countersinking is 25% less than of that of drilling. Spot facing. Spot facing is an operation of smoothing and squaring the surface around the hole. It is done to provide proper sitting of nut or head of the screw. A counterbore or a special spot facing tool may be employed for this process. काउंटर बोर के लिए देखो ये टूल सर्फिंग, ये जो स्पॉट फेसिंग का टूल है वो टूल यहाँ पे लगाया जाता है जिसकी वजह से फेसिंग किया जाता है, जिसकी वजह से बोल्ट जो है 100% उसको टच करके बैठेगा, टेपर नहीं बैठेगा, क्योंकि अगर उसका बर वगैरह है तो वो बर के हिसाब से बीच में गैप आने के चांसेस है, थोड़ा इंक्लिनेशन आने के चांसेस, वो अवॉइड करने के लिए हमको काउंटर उसको स्पॉट फेसिंग करना जरूरी है. टैपिंग. टैपिंग इज द ऑपरेशन ऑफ कटिंग इंटरनल थ्रेड्स by means of cutting tool called as tap. Tapping in a drilling machine may be performed by hand or by power. When the tap is screwed in a hole, it removes metal and cuts internal threads which will fit into the external thread of the same size. These are the 7 operations that can be performed on a drilling machines. From tomorrow we will go for the milling machines. So it is better to go through this video as well as the PPT which I have attached on a Google Drive, so that you can have the access of the machine tool PPT through which I am teaching this. Thank you.